Is the new FY003-1 any better than the MN99? Keep watching to find out. Hey guys, welcome back. So yes, today we've got the new Fayee FY003-1, and they're going to be taking it on the same route that I've recently taken the stock MN99 on, and we're going to see if it does any better on the trail. It's a very nice truck, fully proportional, got a 5-wire servo in there, metal pinion and ring differential gears in there, a new bigger 7.4 volt 1200 milliamp hour battery in there, super soft wide tyres, and yes, I got high expectations for this little truck. It's only about $10 more than the MN99, and you can go for the option of half cab like I have today, or there is a full cab that comes with it. So yes, let's hit the trail. So already, I'm about 5 seconds in, I am loving the slow control aspect of this truck. You can go really, really slow. I'm confident it'll got this first incline with ease. A super wide wheel, super soft. Wow. Not a problem whatsoever for it. So I've currently got the steering throttle do rate set on low. I'm going to show you that on top speed now. That's top speed on low. That's obviously, that's plenty for the trail. You can set it higher if you want. It's amazing how slow and controlled you can go with this truck. So the rocky riverbed and the steep incline on the other side. This is where the MN99 struggled due to being slightly top heavy. So I'm going to see if this is any better than the weight distribution department. Super muddy today. Wow, not a problem at all for these super soft Fayee tyres. That combined with the fact that you can really control the speed, so obviously if you're letting the tyres do the work there. So far, I'm very impressed. Just look at how slow you can go with this thing. I can go even slower if I wanted. So I said in the review video that this is the new king of the ready to rocks, and I'll stick by my words. This thing feels absolutely amazing out on the trail, and in the MN test. We did have a bit of a topple up here somewhere because it's going a tad bit fast. Didn't let the suspension catch up with itself and it toppled, obviously. Stuck on a tree here. There we go. So far, so good with the Fayee. Haven't had a topple yet. I was going to say, it hasn't once looked like it's struggling for grip today. Spoke too soon there. On this section somewhere, this is where we've seen the MN topple. Oh, front wheel pop in action. Not a problem there for the Fayee. Really enjoying the slow control aspect you get with this rig. Gonna take your time down here. Gonna be touching a bit of reverse just to tame it on the way down. Not a problem. It's nice to have that aspect of control, not gonna lie. Could do with a better steering angle if you're listening, Fayee. Let's chuck some CVD joints in there and make what's already a good truck an even better one. As always, I'm going to finish with one of my favourite tree lines here. You've probably seen this line now a lot of times on the channel. It does test the truck, so it's nice to bring it through here. I'll bring it back through. So you can get the descent very controlled. It's just obviously down to your throttle finger. So wow guys, I'm really impressed with this truck. Out on the trail, it holds its own. And yep, I'll say it again, this is better than the MN99. The control factor is phenomenal. I'll be leaving the links in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And yeah guys, cheers for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Bit of bonus material here for you guys. The super tricky tree line. Only my C34KM has managed to conquer this. It's due to the fact it's really thin and slippery at the start. And you've got to pick your line very carefully. And then when you're up there, you need that sense of slow control just to guide yourself through. I think we're going to take a tumble here now. Come on, front left. Lovely. Okay, we've made it up. Another tricky part. Slow and steady wins the race. Come on, take your time. Again, we're going to as thin as it gets. Whoa, 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 whoa. We want front right to flop, lovely. No way. Oh, so close but so far. Come on, Fayee. Yes, out the other side. Okay, now I'm very impressed. I said I was impressed, but now I'm very impressed. That was my first attempt at that, and it did it with ease. One-handed. Wow.